Hello, Brian McCarthy here from Bold&Break, and we are going to be doing an interesting video today. This video is a design analysis of FITC Tokyo 2015 title sequence. This is one of my favorite motion design pieces of all time. The creative director behind it is Ash Thorp. He worked on it also, and he worked on it with an array of very talented, well-known designers in the industry. I'm going to put a link to the title sequence below. Please check out that link before you watch the design analysis video. Otherwise, this will make no sense to you. It's worth watching anyway. It's a great piece and you will love it. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment below. Did you like it? What do you think of the analysis? Did this make sense to you? Without further ado, let's get started. Sit back, enjoy, and relax. What makes this piece of motion design so beautiful? FITC Tokyo 2015 is a contemporary masterpiece that uses classical design principles, rendering a timeless piece with a modern flair. The graphical elements dance in unison with each musical note, satisfying our senses right until the end. Tokyo is the clear and obvious reference point for the design direction. Tokyo holds the mantle for incredible design through its grid systems, architecture, and infrastructure. The FITC title sequence plays with the harmony of grid systems while overloading our senses with flashing colour, subtle glitches, and layered visuals. It aims to contrast the harmonies of traditional Japanese culture against the backdrop of sensory overload in present-day Tokyo. The graphical elements are simple and distinguished by bright colours, but this allows to build a layer of complexity with every graphical element building on top of one another. There is a sense of overstimulation backed by a harmonious track, the music more aligned with Japanese culture, the visuals more aligned with the stimulus experienced in Tokyo City. It's almost as if each speaker has carved out their own space in a very layered and complex system. A self-description of the FITC 2015 title sequence is a progressive journey where moments of extreme chaos fold into tranquility. This piece I hold very dear to my heart. It has been a huge influence of my work, and I always go back to it when I'm struggling with my craft, my career. It encourages me to keep moving forward, keep making beautiful work. I think it's important to find those trinkets of inspiration and trinkets of motivation in our career as artists and designers. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.